Hey guys, this is how you can wallbang the common places people like to play under heaven on Ascent. Starting off, with people tucked in this corner, you can do two different lineups. First, line yourself up so that you can just about see the left face of the box. Walk up to the middle plank of wood and shoot straight down.
They're done.
Or, to be more precise, there's a grey rectangle in the middle plank. Stand on the left side of it and shoot straight down. To get the other corner on this side, you're going to stand on this corner of the wood and shoot straight down. To get people here, what you're going to do is line yourself up with the back corner of this wall.
Over there.
Then aim the little split in the wood and look straight down until your crosshair is in the middle of the wood between these two lines and shoot.
Dra till helvete.
To get people in the middle of this wall, stand in the same place and just move along horizontally from the previous lineup. Finally, to get people in this corner, stand in the same place, aim at the middle of the wood and the line, and look down slightly above halfway and shoot. What's crazy is this roof is paper thin, meaning you can use any weapon. This sage right here has full health and shields.